Welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me Philips Air Purifier, and now I'm gonna show you how to enable pairing mode on this device. So to enable pairing mode, to connect this device to Philips Air Plus application, you need to make this Wi-Fi icon blinking, and blinking in red, not in white or gray. So to do it, you just need to press and hold together power and lamp buttons. So let's try to press them together. And great, as you can see now my Wi-Fi logo is blinking in red, and it means that now my air purifier is visible for Air Plus application. Thanks for watching, like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.